Hi, I hope you're doing great. Let's begin with the introduction. Let me display the first chart, and you will have the A sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then, the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. And eventually, the C sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And I'm gonna show you two methods of pressed chords. So you either play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play the chord alone and you repeat the process on the 3 and the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you get closer to the original version by playing the chords on the offbeats like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. At normal speed, it should sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You will then move on to the first verse of this song using the same chord and your preferred playing method. So either pressed chords on the beat, 3, 4.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations.
And you would replay this chart one last time. Or you get closer to the original song by choosing the second method, playing the chords on the offbeats. 3, 4.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in that dream.
And at this moment, you reach the pre-chorus, and we'll keep the same chart and the same playing method.
And they come unstuck.
And you reach the chorus, and as you guessed, we will keep the same chart.
Lady running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
However, I suggest you do not rush because it is not going to be that simple and you will have one new chord in the bridge. But before that, let me teach you how to play these chords in arpeggios. So here's a readapted chart, and this time I suggest you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First without the lyric. 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And I will resume with the next lyric. 3, 4.
There's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and heads to New York City. This cowboy is running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf.
So twice for the verse, and then you move on to the pre-chorus.
And they come unstuck.
And you reach the second chorus, and let's continue with arpeggios.
Lady running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
And at this moment, you will have an interlude with the guitar, then you will move on to the bridge, and for that section, you will have a new chord. Here it is, and as I said earlier, you will have one new chord, the F sharp major, composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. Now we'll go back to the first playing method with the chords played on the beat, but feel free to choose the arpeggio method if this is the one you prefer.
I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way.
And now you move on to the second section.
I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen, oh.
And from here, you will be able to take the previous chart and play the last chorus before finishing this song with the C sharp major chord. I wish you good luck for this one, and I will see you very soon in the next one.